Welcome to Amazing Record. Get ready for an incredible adventure into the animal kingdom. From playful monkeys to adorable dogs, this channel brings you fascinating and amusing animal moments. Join us now and let's embark on this amazing journey together. Enraged, the goose launched an assault on the fully armed soldiers, fearless and ready for battle.
That boy came at me quick.
Just as Flash was happily munching away, a mischievous monkey decided to crash the party. That scares away the cat proves that nothing is impossible as long as you have the courage. This is a scene of the Mexican mole lizard coming out to search for food. The burly polar bear, confronted with ferocious humans, chose the smartest way to deal with it. Run for its life. When our gorilla got his new bathtub, the splash party was on.
It's amazing.
Under the camera lens, the well-behaved baby in the water is sharing the hard work of people's cleaning tasks. A frantic and chaotic mouse-catching farce, it was the first time I realized that mice are such terrifying creatures in the eyes of both humans and cats. It is evident that the crocodile's interest lies not in the fish. Buddy, with you around, I really have no need to learn swimming. The moment when a whale shoots out a rainbow from its blowhole is truly a testament to how wondrous nature can be. It seems that not only humans understand the joy of loving and pampering cats. Even in the jaws of perilous crocodiles, kitties can always get their paws on anything they desire. Thanks to the mischievous dog, the fireworks show became even more exciting and thrilling than ever before. In slow motion, the little deer appears to have an astonishing jumping ability, as if it's stepping on air. It's time to eat! It's surprising that the alluring female celebrity on the magazine cover would appear so frightening to a dog.
Look. Julia.
The cat's fierce, spike, stable, accurate, and ruthless.
Go for one. Let's go.
Facing the ultimate feline couch potato, what's your game plan? Unleash your inner cat whisperer and let's brainstorm some fun tactics.
Stand
Faced with the noisy crowd, our socially anxious tiger turns away, leaving behind a lonely silhouette as it walks away. Faced with humans who can perform magic, our little monkey was simply astonished. In order to protect her eggs, the mother hen bravely began a fight with a venomous snake. A straw hat, a pair of sunglasses, and a cup of coffee. That's a leisurely afternoon for an old gentleman. A little bird and a mantis had a showdown, and you'll never guess what went down. Sometimes, unexpected encounters can catch us off guard and leave us unprepared.
There's a bird in my car.
What a warm and harmonious family! This kind of game ensures that our doggo will never feel bored. When an elephant herd encounters danger, the adult elephants swiftly encircle the young ones, assuming a defensive posture as if ready for battle. Looks like pupper quarrels come with applause time too. But make sure not to leave your furry rival hanging too furlong. This moment belongs exclusively to chicken raisers, a truly romantic experience. As the little crocodile journeyed home, it encountered a lily loitering at the crossroads, holding it hostage. However, seizing an opportunity, the clever croc turned tail and dashed away. The journey home for the baby kangaroo turned out to be much more difficult than expected. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.